Meet Suntable, the world's only solar-powered induction charging table with 360 degrees of sound by JBL. Suntable is the ultimate outdoor companion, allowing you the freedom to charge, chill, and play your music anywhere you go. Designed to live either inside or out, Suntable provides a constant source of renewable energy for your phone, other devices, and its built-in Bluetooth speakers, meaning you'll never have to bring speakers outdoors again. Suntable's induction charger is cleverly located beneath the table, keeping your phone out of sun's way and cool as it charges. And if you don't have an induction charging device, no problem. Suntable also charges via USB. Elegant yet resilient, Suntable not only pleases the eye, but can also endure the uses and rigors of everyday life, including water, so you can safely use it at the pool or at the beach. Basically, Suntable can go wherever you go. By combining a table, solar power, induction charging, and music into one device, we believe we can improve human life outdoors while at the same time improving the planet. So that's Suntable. Please let us know what you think, and if you can, give us a hand. We'd love to inspire you to step outside.
Playing music is all about exploring possibilities. Roadie 3 is all about making that experience effortless and endless. Roadie 3 helps you find your sound fast. High-speed tuning, next-gen vibration detection, and enhanced accuracy keep your tunings dead on. Be free to explore alternate tunings easily using Roadie 3's intuitive navigation and ample storage space for over 100 presets. Tune almost anything with geared pegs using Roadie 3's compact new design that fits comfortably in your hand, pocket, or kit bag. See your options clearly and make quick selections easy with Roadie 3's full-color, high-resolution screen. This is big stuff in a small package. Restring and tune in one step, then feel the beat using Roadie 3's vibrating metronome mode. Your musical world is full of possibilities. Bring your Roadie and play on.
This is Ultra, the latest helmet from Lumos, the best smart LED helmet you can buy. Ultra will simplify your life, protect your head, and even help prevent accidents. Best of all, it's designed with affordability in mind, so that a Lumos helmet can finally be accessible to everyone. The truth is that bike-mounted lights don't always do enough to make you visible to drivers. Like us, you're probably also tired of your lights getting lost or stolen, and drivers not seeing, recognizing, or responding to your hand signals. That's why Ultra comes integrated with 3 LED modules, giving you full 360-degree coverage, ensuring you're seen by motorists from all angles, and drastically improving your chances of avoiding a crash. There are also turn signals that you can activate easily while riding using the included remote or an Apple Watch. The helmet is sealed and water resistant, so you can ride with it anytime, anywhere, rain or shine. It's smart, so you can use our app to track your rides, check the battery, and personalize your helmet with custom blinking patterns. And of course, Ultra offers serious protection for your head. It passes rigorous safety standards with an A-star rating and is also available with the MIPS brain protection system as an optional upgrade. Over the years, we've received a ton of feedback and feature requests from our awesome community of Lumos helmet riders. We are excited that we were able to incorporate many of those requests into Ultra. You asked for a visor? We got a visor. You asked for larger and smaller sizes. Ultra will now come in 3 sizes: small, medium, and extra large for a comfortable fit for the whole family. You asked for a standard charging port. Ultra will feature a USB-C port, making recharging faster and easier than ever. We've also optimized battery life so that Ultra can last for up to 10 hours on a single charge. But the biggest request we've gotten is whether we can make our helmets more affordable. A good-looking, high-quality helmet could easily cost over $100. Add a good set of front and back lights, and that's another $100. Ultra will cost less than either. The Lumos Ultra is the perfect helmet for your bike commute, your training ride, your e-bike, or the family ride with the kids. Ultra has you covered.
The design, just look at it. It's amazing. I love it.
Für mich das schönste Helmformat aktuell.
Il est extrêmement léger par rapport au modèle précédent, ce qui sur des utilisations sur des longues distances est quand même très appréciable.
The airflow is amazing and it felt really good during the ride.
Seriously, the lightness? I don't know how you did it with all the electronics and everything in it. It's beautiful.
You also don't have to worry about forgetting the lights when you go out, so that's super handy.
I'd really recommend this, and I'll definitely be buying it myself.
Just get one. It's amazing.
Hi, I'm Ewan, co-founder and CEO of Lumos. We got our start right here on Kickstarter 5 years ago. with little more than an idea and a passion to keep riders safe and build a great product. Since then, we've won some pretty cool awards, been featured on Oprah's Favorite Things, became the first helmet to ever be sold at the Apple Store, sold and shipped over 100,000 of our helmets to riders all around the world, and garnered hundreds of amazing reviews from customers who have loved their Lumos helmet. But what's most fulfilling is seeing our helmets actually make an impact, helping people stay safe, and in many instances, saving lives. Safety is everyone's right, so we've made it our mission to make our life-saving tech available to as many cyclists as possible. That's why we've packed all our helmet making experience and user feedback into making Ultra our best and most affordable helmet yet. Imagine a world where every cyclist has access to protective gear that makes them as visible as possible to everyone on the road. With your help, we can make that a reality. Join us.
This is a faster desktop FDM 3D printer. Users can select up to 2 or 3 times the average printing speed. And it can save up to 30% of printing time on average. Aeolus Heat Dissipation System, AHDS, is a highly efficient heat dissipation system with its own uniquely developed 4-fan structure design, which can effectively cool the printing nozzle from all angles, increasing efficiency of heat dissipation by 42% to ensure its printing quality and speed. S-Move System, SMS, is a high-speed move system of LOTMAXX motors, which can ensure fast printing speed and balance in movement. LOTMAXX SC10 Shark is not only a faster 3D printer, but also a multi-purpose 3D printer. Laser engraving and bicolor printing add-ons can add laser engraving easily. No need for complicated recoding and testing. It is plug and engrave. And it can add bicolor printing too. It makes 3D printing much easier and more interesting. LOTMAXX SC10 Shark is a very easy-to-use 3D printer. It is the best choice for both beginners and professionals. 5 minutes to assemble. Supports intelligent auto leveling for easier leveling. And 8 UI languages. Its ultra-silent drive, TMC2208, can decrease the printing noise dramatically. And its night mode can decrease all the key sounds and mute the filament alarm. The filament sensor can pause and resume from a stopped print from power loss, or avoid wasting molds and save more printing time. Its high quality is in its every detail. Body made from anodic oxide technology. 2 color options, space gray and deep purple. Super large printing size. High quality top power supply. Heavy current design and wide voltage design. A faster, easy to use, high quality and multifunctional 3D printer. LOTMAXX SC10 Shark.